going to open this box and show you a trunk organizer for an SUV. We'll put it together. This is the main part. It's got the brand on here. It's Libzaki. And they have just come out with a new improved model of their trunk organizer. The last one was made with cardboard, and this one is made with PP board, which is very strong. Once you have this set up and have the lid on it, you could even sit on it. It's that strong. This just unfolds, and there is a board that goes inside in the bottom to make it stable. I'll just slip that in, push it down, and that makes it keep its shape. Now I'm going to put a divider in. The dividers have Velcro on two sides on the ends, and there's Velcro inside at certain points on the box. I'll just fold the ends in a little bit so the Velcro won't stick until I get it in place. And now I will press it in, and that makes it have a divider. Now you can see what it looks like inside. It's got one partition here and a big partition here. I'm going to put another divider in the very same way, get it in place, then push it over to the Velcro, and it's hard to unstick it once it sticks. It really clings. So now this is what it looks like. It's got three partitions. We have two more dividers. We can divide it further because there are cross pieces that also stick in the very same way. So the point is, you can divide it up as much or as little as you want. Just use the dividers and make your own arrangement according to what you have in your trunk that you want to put into it. Now all of the dividers are in. I didn't get that one stuck, but you get the point there. Then you put everything in it that you want to put in it. Then you can put this lid on. The lid is in two sections, has Velcro on each side. You just press it down like that. And then the other one covers two of the compartments. I sit down and you can tell how strong it sounds. And it's got all these pockets across the front that you can put screwdrivers, paintbrushes, whatever you've got. And that is the new remodeled SUV trunk organizer.